Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best LED shop light. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. Tanbaby LED Garage and Shop Light. We like this light for its superior brightness and its ability to cover virtually 360 degrees of your garage, regardless of its size. That's because each of the 3 wide-angle wings adjust a full 90 degrees, more than just about any other similar product. The aluminum fins dissipate heat to keep these lights cool, extending their life to a manufacturer-predicted 50,000 hours. The greatest shortcoming of this otherwise exceptional performer is its lack of motion sensitivity, so if you specifically need such a feature, avoid this product. Other customers have reported that these nullify a connection between some HomeLink-equipped car mirrors and garage door openers, but otherwise, we recommend it for its brightness and easy installation. Tanbaby's LED shop light comes at the second position of this listicle, as this is also a fairly affordable option for many. While it may come with a single light in the box, its brightness output is still fairly decent, which is rated at 6,000 lumens. Similar to the previous free-licked LED shop lights, this one also has a 60-watt wattage rating as well as a color temperature reading of 6500 K, making it quite good. Talking about the reliability of this shop LED light, it offers a 2-year-long warranty as well as a decent build quality. Pros: super bright, 360-degree coverage, lights stay cooler longer, high visibility in all scenarios. Cons: no motion detector. Number 2. Guster 2-pack LED Garage and Shop Light. Guster is quite a new brand of LED shop lights in comparison with other options out there, because of which it offers a decent value for money. This Guster LED shop light comes at the third position of this article because it can be another viable option if you want a value for money option. Similar to the previously mentioned free-licked LED shop lights, these also come in a pack of 2. Both of these lights offer a 6,000 lumen brightness output, which is quite good, just like various other LED shop lights available in the market. These lights are also rated at 60 watts. This is combined along with a color temperature of 6500 K, which is preferred by most users. As you would expect at the given price, you get a 2-year-long warranty with these lights. 3 ultra-bright adjustable LED light panels help brighten your garage whether you're working or looking through boxes of items you've stored there. With 6,000 lumens of brightness and panels that adjust up to 90 degrees, you can cover all the square footage you need. These lights are designed with premium PC housing to help protect against extreme temperatures and corrosion. Best features includes 2 LED shop lights in the box. Rated brightness output of 6,000 lumens. Offers 6500 K color temperature light output. Power consumption rating of 60 watts. Number 3. Barina LED T5 Integrated Single Fixture Light. To light up an entire garage with plenty of lumens without blowing the budget, this set of LED T5 single fixtures from Barina is a smart choice. This pack of 6 delivers 2200 lumens per light, which all wire together with simple plug-in jumpers. Just plug them into an existing outlet, clip in place, and an entire garage's lighting system is complete. Each Barina light is 4 feet long, features a very cool 6500 K color temperature, and uses very little power, 20 watts per section, and since they're LEDs, they'll work well in very cold environments, so no excuses for not tackling those jobs when chilly weather arrives. I really liked installing the Barina LED T5 system, as it requires simply screwing the clip to the ceiling and snapping each light in place, and with 6 lights in the pack, the flexibility to put a light where necessary is a welcome change from the norm. Also, I found the brightness to be more than adequate for most garages. My only complaint is that the jumper wires were far too short. I already had a similar system in my shop that came with jumper wires more than twice as long. Pros: lots of flexibility. Plenty bright for most garages. Incredibly easy installation. Highly power-efficient lights. Cons: jumper wires far too short. Number 4. BBOUNDER 5000 K LED Utility Shop Light. These 4-foot shop lights can either be mounted flush to the ceiling with anchors and screws, or suspended from chains on ceiling hooks, giving you a nice amount of flexibility. At less than 5 pounds each, installation should be easy whichever way you choose. Our favorite feature of these lights is that they can be linked together. Instead of requiring a separate power source for each one, each unit's 4 8-inch power cord makes this daisy chain design even more convenient. These lights are capable of producing 4000 lumen and have an effective 240-degree beam spread. Their 5-year warranty is a nice perk as well. Seamlessly connect up to 4 LED shop lights together with connectors for energy savings in your home, office, or any workspace. Follow our installation guide for a quick and easy setup, mounting hardware included, for 8-foot power cord with plug. Directly mount to the ceiling or suspend from the ceiling for instant bright light in your garages, basements, warehouses, and storage area. Our LED shop light is made of high-quality plastic, offering a lightweight yet super bright lighting experience. Wipes out the hassle of installation at the same time. Let there be light. Number 5. Linkable LED shop light for garage. Linkable offers a wide range of lighting products that can be the perfect option for those who wish to get something made for heavy-duty and industrial usage. The Linkable shop light can be the perfect option for those who want to cover a large area. This is possible due to the reason that you get a total of 4 lights in the box where all of them are 4 feet long. Even though the given brightness rating of 4,400 lumens is not the highest, a pack of 4 lights should make up for it. Another great thing about these LED lights is that they are highly efficient with a fairly low wattage rating of 42 watts. You also get a 5-year-long warranty with it, making it great for long-term use. Unfortunately, these lights are rated at 5000K, which may not be ideal for everyone. The light is directional as well and will barely provide any 360-degree coverage, so you will need to invest in more bulbs and depend on the linking feature. It may not be such a great choice for open garages. Pros: large size lights for large areas, high combined light output intensity, reliable LED shop lights for long-term use, rated brightness output of 4,400 lumens. Cons: not the best color temperature.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.